our friends at Puppy Cute sent me this. Let me show you how it looks. This organizer is is storage baskets, right? That you can put on the wall of your kitchen. That's where this is going to go. But I wanted to do a video of showing you what you're going to need in order to put this together. So I'm showing you how I'm basically unboxing it so you can take a look. So it comes with these hangers, because you can, if you want it, you could hang this storage unit to, if there is a pipe, you could put it like that and hang it real nice. Like, you know how this is akin to when they have these kitchens that have some, you know, trussing in the middle, and you could hang this so that you can put condiments or other things in there. I've seen this used to it. It comes with everything that you need to install it on a wall, right? Of course, what I recommend is that if you don't know how to do this, you get someone to help you, right? Because this requires you to find the stud so that you can put these in there so that it holds the weight, or it holds as much weight as you want to put in there. So if you have a stud finder, it's better with the stud finder to find the studs where you want to install these screws with their expansions. Okay, but it comes with everything you need, right? And it comes with the instructions, right, of installation instructions. And this shouldn't be too hard to install, because it comes already pre-assembled. So basically, let's take the rest out of here, right? So I can do this, right? It comes pre-assembled. So there's 3 in this box, right? And this comes pre-assembled. All you have to do is open it, right? Right? And follow the instructions, because this already is assembled, you see? So basically, you go like this, and voila, this thing is put together. Right? All you have to do is you know, follow the instructions of how you fold it. So it's telling you here, you see, the order of how you want to fold it in order for it at the end you have a finished product, right? So basically you go like this, right? And then you go like this. Maybe I should show you that. You see? And boom, this thing is together. You see how fast that was? It was really fast. You know, I'm going to do it again, because I want you guys, with this video, once you watch this video, you know how to do it. Okay, so check this out. It's pre-assembled. You fold these first, right? And then you bring these. This is the floor of the storage bin, right? And this it has these L hooks here, and you want these L hooks to be hooked on the sides of these flaps, right? So you bring it up, you bring these in, you go like this, right? And that's it. That's it, you see? Now this is right there, you see? And all you have to do is to secure it is this flap out here has a clip. Let me see if you clip this clip right here, you see? That clip needs to keep these doors in the side, these flaps, to the side. So you bring it like this, right? You see, right there. and you're going to push it outwards until you hear the click. You see? And then right here, there you go. So now this is put together. It's sturdy. You don't have to do anything else. This thing is sturdy. Now, if you want it, right? Where are them hooks? Okay. If you want it, and this is all you wanted to use, you see these hooks right here? You see them? You go like this. Whoop. You go like this. And this is ready to hang anywhere that you want. Man, this is so well designed, really. It's so easy to put together, so well designed. And if you had, you know, let me show you with the boom. Then I have a microphone boom here, and I'm gonna show you how this would work, right? I'm gonna do it real quick, so bear with me, okay? I'll edit this one out. You take this out. You get this, you hook it up here. Make sure that they're in the same ones, and then you go like this. Awesome, right? Awesome. You can hang it. You can put all your stuff in there. What are we gonna put in there? Let's put this remote in there. Put this remote in there. You can put anything you want, right? But it's hanging. You see? I mean, this is one of the applications. You hang it up on a, you know, on a pipe like this, right? This is my boom microphone stand, right? That I'm putting together so that I can show you. But this is one of the ways that you could use this. And I've seen it because you know how there's kitchens that have a island, right? The center island, and above the island it has a base like this. It's a rod. You can hang out stuff from there, and then you can secure from this the other ones because they're modular. So you can hook this one to another, to another, to another, and there's 3 of them, and you can put it together. Once you do that, then you can basically, you know. But of course, you got to make sure, right, that this is set up in something. So I am super stoked about this. I'm gonna put these, you know, up in the kitchen. They're gonna really nice because it keeps like things really well organized. And the best part, what I like about this, I mean, I already have one of these, is that you can see through to see what's in there, you know. So if you're looking for something, you can see through it, right? These, you see these up here, those connect to those screws right there, and then you can stack them. They're stackable, so you can put, I suggest 3. You don't want to put too much weight on those screws that you affix to the wall. I've used this for many years. This will be another one that I'll have to set up in the kitchen, and this is super recommended. The other one that we have is right next to the door, right? So when you come in to the mud room, right next to the door, we have one of these stacked, 3 of them, and then we have everything that you might need for the car. We put our like, you know, keys, a mask, flashlight, tools, anything goes in here because this is very sturdy, right? Made out of metal. I wish you can feel it. It's very sturdy, and once you put this together, this is not going anywhere. It's really well made, and super recommended. Hey, Merry Christmas.